If you are tired of stubborn dark spots that just won't fade, then this formula is for you. Because in this video, I will be showing you a professional science-backed formula that can help you fade dark spots naturally in just 7 days. Yes, no bleaching, no harsh chemicals, and no irritation. Okay? This formula combines the power of dermatology-backed ingredients with gentle skin-loving naturals to give your skin a bright, even-toned glow. Okay? Hey y'all, I'm Angie Styles. Before we start, let's talk about why dark spots appear in the first place. Dark spots are usually caused by excess melanin. That's the pigment that gives your skin its color. When your skin is exposed to sun, acne, or hormonal changes, it can produce too much melanin, leaving behind dark patches or post-acne marks that won't go away sometimes. Now, the good news is you can fade them fast with the right combination of ingredients. So without wasting time, I don't want today's video to be long. We are going to jump right into the formula. So get your formulation book and pen ready so you can write down this formula. Okay? Are you ready? All right, let's start. We will start with the water phase. So you will be needing 63.5% distilled water. Write it down. 63.5% distilled water. 10% aloe vera juice for soothing and moisturizing. Okay? Then we need 5% niacinamide for brightening and barrier repair. That's the job. And then you need 2% panthenol for hydration and soothing. You need 3% glycerin to keep the skin soft and moisturized. That's the function. Then we need 0.5% hyaluronic acid powder for hydration and smoothing, plus it's going to act as a thickener in this formula. Okay? Then you need 2% alpha arbutin to inhibit that melanin production and brighten those dark areas. Okay? We also need my favorite 3% Tranexamic Acid powder. That's a powerful ingredient that has been proven to fade hyperpigmentation and melasma. It's my favorite. I don't joke with it. You also need 5% licorice root for brightening and calming effects. We also need 2% N-acetyl-glucosamine. It works perfectly with niacinamide to speed up results, so always add it. We also need 0.5% allantoin to soothe and protect sensitive skin. And we also need 3% propanediol to help all these ingredients absorb better into our skin. And finally, we need to add 0.5% preservative like Liquid German Plus to keep your serum fresh and safe for a longer shelf life. If you have dry skin, you can include an oily face for extra nourishment. Add like 3% Rosehip Seed Oil, 0.5% vitamin E, and 1.5% Polysorbate 20 as a solubilizer to blend the oil together before adding to the water phase. Okay? This is optional and should be included or excluded from the total formula, which must be 100% overall. If you don't understand this part, ask the question in the comments. Okay? I will explain more. So to make this, mix everything well in your beaker until the solution is uniform and clear. Then check that the pH is between 5 and 5.5. This ensures that the serum is gentle and effective. Then pour it into an amber dropper bottle or airless bottle to protect it from air and light. Okay. How to use this? Apply 2 to 3 drops on clean skin every morning and night. Massage it gently and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Then during the day, never skip sunscreen, please. SPF 30 or higher is a must, okay, if you want to see visible results. And within 7 days, you will notice your dark spots fading, your skin tone evening out, and your natural glow returning. Come back here and say thank you. Important tips though, always do a patch test, please. Always do a patch test when using a new skincare product or a new formula, and avoid mixing this serum with strong exfoliating acids or retinol, okay, in the same routine. Do not use them in the same routine. And remember, consistency is the key. Okay, be patient and treat your skin well. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with somebody struggling with dark spots, and let me know in the comments if you want me to share another pro formula, something like brightening moisturizer, or you want something that clears your dark knuckles, elbows. Let me know. Okay, your glow journey just starts today, and it's 100% possible with the right ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video, okay? Because I have so much secrets to share on this channel. All right? And don't forget, stay naturally beautiful always.